Assalamu alaikum. This is book 2, 8th edition, chapter 2, linear graphs and simultaneous linear equations. And today we are going to discuss about a simultaneous equation, that is in exercise 2C. So before starting 2C, I need you all to remember these two rules that we are going to use very frequently, and they're going to apply in every equation, but you have to identify which rule is applicable over here. The first one is the variables with the same coefficient but with opposite sign. So if this is the condition, then we are going to add the equations. But according to rule 2, when variables with the same coefficients but with same signs as well, so we are going to subtract two equations. As we all know, the simultaneous equation, we have two equations and we have to solve those two equations side by side. So for example, we are going to start with practice now 4. Using the elimination method, solve this equation. The first equation is x minus y is equals to 3 and the second equation is 4x plus y is equals to 17. The very first step is that we are going to name these two equations. X minus y is equals to 3, this is my equation 1, let's say, and 4x plus y is equals to 17, this is my equation 2. Now let's see which rule is applying over here. First thing, x, here x, the coefficient of x is 1 and the coefficient of x is 4. We're going to focus on the variable which has the same coefficient, like y. Here 1y and 1y, but does it have the opposite sign or the same sign? So the variable have the opposite sign. First one is negative and the second one is positive, so we are going to apply rule 1 over here. We are going to add these two equations. Simply adding these two equations, I'm going to add it vertically now. So the opposite signs will cancel out, plus y and minus y, they will cancel out, and here 4x plus x becomes 5x and 17 plus 3 becomes 20. Now we need to find the value of x. So this 5 is multiplying by x over here. When I will move it to the other side, it will divide by this 20 and it will become 5 4 is 20, so x is equals to 4. This is the value of x. What will be the value of y over here? We need to find the value of y as well. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put this value of x is equals to 4 in one of the equation. It's your choice, you can put it in any of the equation and you will get the same answer. So I am putting the value of x is equals to 4 in equation 1 over here. You will get the same answer when you will put this in even equation 2. Okay, so according to equation 1, x minus y is equals to 3. So in place of x, what I'm going to write? I'm going to write 4. So 4 minus y is equals to 3. I want to isolate the variable, this 4 over here. You see, the sign of this 4 is on the left hand side. This 4 is positive. It is positive over here. When I will move it to the other side, it will subtract. So minus y is equals to 3 minus 4. Minus y is equals to, these both will be subtracted and answer will have the sign of the greater number. So 3 minus 4 will give minus 1 and minus will cancel out. And then y is equals to 1. This is the answer. And in the coordinate form, ordered pair, how are we going to write? The first coordinate is always the x-axis coordinate, the x is 4 over here and comma. The second coordinate is always the y coordinate and y is 1 over here. So this is the solution of this practice now 4, and all the other parts will be solved with using these two rules with the same method.